Hey rockers, are you thinking about taking a trip on the Carnival Venezia and wondering if it's the right ship for you? Well, good news. Today we're going to go over the top 5 things to do when you're on the ship. Let's get to it. Let's rock.
Woo!
Hey guys, real quick, make sure to stick around to the end of the video, especially if you're part of the Rock in the Boat Club. We have 2 huge announcements. We're going to give away the prizes for the Venezia to our club members. We're also going to announce the dates for our group cruises coming up in 2025.
2 of them. It's going to be so fun. Let's get to the top 5 on the Carnival Venezia. Number 5 is the Carnival Bar and Lounge. Now what I loved about this lounge is that it had a Latin vibe.
It sure did. Now if you're familiar with the Havana Bar on Carnival ships, this bar is in the exact same spot as the Havana Bar. So a lot of Latin vibes. Every night they had a Latin duo playing, a keyboard player, an amazing singer. Everyone was dancing, different types of Latin dances. They also had karaoke 3 different nights while we were there. And also, right off the Carnival Bar is the Terrazza Carnival, which if you book a Terrazza room, you will get special access to this deck behind the bar. It has 2 private jacuzzis, amazing views of the back of the ship, and it's totally private. So next time, I think we're gonna spend the extra money and get one of those Terrazza cabins.
Yes, and we'll get to be all bougie coming out in our robes.
That's right, you get a specialty robe. Number 4. Deck number 11. Now deck 11 is where all the cool kids hang out.
Yes, it's super sporty, full b-ball court if you love basketball. They had ping pong tables, dominoes tables, bocce ball, workout equipment that you could work out outside. It was so cool. Plus, you had amazing views of the Lido deck.
You did. It sits right, there's actually seating right along the Lido deck. You can see everybody at the pool. If you want to play a game of dominoes or play some cards, there's some tables right there. There's also a ping pong tournament every day at around 3 o'clock. They had a ping pong tournament. So if you and your family want to do some activities, make sure to go to deck 11. You'll find something to do, I guarantee it.
Oh, show. Number 3, the Atrium. Now here on the Venezia, they call it the Piazza San Marco because they tried to make that whole area look like you were actually in the San Marco Plaza in Italy.
Yes, and if you follow our channel a couple months back, we were actually right there in the San Marco Square.
We were.
It's not quite that on the ship, but it does have the Italian vibes. Really cool part of the Atrium that I loved was, if you look around the outside of the bar, they actually put feathers inside a glass or epoxy and lit it up. So it looks like it's just sculpted glass, but it's not. They actually put feathers inside there, which I thought was really cool.
Very creative.
And the other thing about the Atrium is this is the hub of the ship. This is where you go hang out with your friends, or you might meet somebody there because it's in the center. It takes up levels 3, 4, and 5. They had the white party there. They have acoustic guitarists, they have a violinist, so all times throughout the day you're going to find something cool going on in that bar.
Yeah, they also had a masquerade ball there, which was very cool.
They did, actually. It was the captain's toast, and we actually took a picture with the captain. He was this shorter guy.
He was a very petite man.
Very serious, and we took a picture and I was like, yeah, like this, and... It didn't come out. We went through our pictures on our TV and it was just blurry. It didn't come out right. I wanted that picture, but it was perfect. So we did get a picture with them, but unfortunately we can't share with you. Number 2, the Serenity deck.
Now my personal favorite was at the Serenity area was adults only. Now, it's great to be with the family when you're on trips like this, but sometimes you do need a little break, and this is the perfect place for it because they have these huge loungers that are partly covered with pillows on them. If you're with someone or without, you can go up there with a blankie and just snuggle up and watch a beautiful sunset.
Yes, which we did a couple of times. We saw a sunset at least twice on the Serenity deck. And the cool thing about it is it's the biggest Serenity deck I've seen on a Carnival ship. It is humongous. There's probably 200 chairs and loungers out there. There's a lot of people there, but you feel like you're by yourself because there's so much room. Only thing I would suggest is maybe they could put a pool back there. There is 2 hot tubs, but I think a little pool would be perfect, so you can have an adults only area. One of the times we were there, it was very serene and quiet, but there was this one lady. We call her Fire Engine because she had this bright red hair, spiky red hair. And we're sitting in a jacuzzi just relaxing, and she comes walking in, and she was one of those people that talk at the top of her lungs, and all she could talk about was the casino. Those people that go to the casino, I can't believe them. They're gonna lose every single time. She was just going on and on.
You know how we love the casino.
And we love the casino. We were just biting our lip like.
So she got us to leave quicker than we wanted to. But hey.
The funny part of the whole story, she went on, I'm not kidding, for 30 minutes about it doesn't matter what game you play. You go to Atlantic City, you're gonna lose all your money. She closes her timeout saying, well, I'll probably end up in the casino later, but I'll only spend a few $100s. So
we didn't quite understand her whole motive. Maybe she wanted less people in the casino.
Yeah, so as long as you don't have a loud lady in the jacuzzi with you, you're going to love the Serenity Deck. It is amazing. We spent a lot of time there. Normally it's very quiet. It just happened to be this one time. this lady wanted to let us know about gambling. But we kept gambling and we won.
We did.
Make sure to check out the Serenity Deck.
All right, guys. Number 1 is the Bonsai Sushi restaurant. It's on deck 5. One thing to know about the Bonsai restaurant is that it is an upcharge, but well worth it. Tell them why, babe.
We went there twice, if you can believe it. We hardly ever go to an upcharge restaurant, but on this one, we tried it one night, the Bonsai place, and it was amazing.
So good. The sushi was so fresh.
The sushi is super fresh.
Like butter.
The chefs are amazing, entertaining, very funny. We want to give a shout out to Arminius and Max.
Hey guys, we want you to make us more sushi.
They took care of us both times we were there. And in my opinion, they have the #1 value on any Carnival ship at the Bonsai Sushi restaurant. They serve a sushi boat for two people.
Yeah.
It comes with 2 rolls. So there's a bang bang roll, a California roll, miso soup, salad, and then 6 pieces of sushi. And this big, it's this wide of a boat.
It's really fun too, super festive. And my choice would be to sit at the sushi bar so that you can talk with the sushi chefs. It's so great.
You'll have a fun experience. But
yes.
I looked down the menu, saw the price, $32. I'm like, oh, $32 each? That's not that bad. $32, especially for the specialty restaurants. No. $32 for both of us.
That was so inexpensive.
So $16 a
and
piece.
Delicious.
Now you will notice if you go on sometimes if you try to download the map, it'll say $22. Now I think that was an older menu that you can download, or the prices might be different on different ships because I know they have Bonsai in a few of them. For our trip on the Venezia, it was $32.
Yes.
Which was a heck of a deal. We got sake, we got some asahi, and our total bill was like less than $60.
Yes, it was so worth it.
Yeah, so just trust us. If one night, if you want to do something a little special, check out Bonsai Sushi. Ask for Artemis or Max. They'll take care of you. All right, rockers, it's that time, everybody's favorite time. It's time to give away the prizes for the rockintheboat.club. Now, if you're not a member yet, go ahead and sign up. The link will be in the description. It's totally free. Now, when we're out on our adventures, we buy prizes for our subscribers, which we're going to give away right now. All you have to do is be signed up on that email list, and we pick somebody random every time we have a prize, and we'll mail it out to you. What you're going to do is get an email saying you're a prize winner, answer the questionnaire, and ask you for your address so we can mail it out to you, and you'll get your prize within 10 days or so. So, let's get to it. Drum roll.
All right. The first prize winner is Andrea.
Congrats.
All right. It's a cute little bag, little wristlet style. We also connected a Venezia keychain. So adorable. You can put all your little stuff in. It's waterproof on the outside, or water resistant, shall I say. Take it to the pool with all your whatnots.
It's perfect for the pool.
Yeah.
Congrats, Andrea.
Yes.
All right, who's next? What do we got?
All right, next we have a cute little backpack for Darren.
Darren, you won, buddy.
All right, it's made out of like a heavy fabric. You can take this on your adventures off the ship or to the pool or wherever you want to take it to. Look how adorable it is. All right, standard Carnival colors are red, white, and blue. And our last prize winner goes to Tony.
Tony!
All right, what is Tony getting? Let's see. Oh my goodness. It is a beautiful Venezia apron. I'm going to back up a little bit here so I can show it off because it is really cute.
Yeah, it's long enough to fit male or
Got
female.
a pocket, and the bottom is got those classic Carnival Venetian fun colors right here. Look at that.
All right, congrats to everybody. Now, every trip we go on, again, we buy prizes. These were the prizes for the Venezia. Make sure to sign up, and we'll get those prizes right out to you.
Our second big announcement is that we finally put together the dates for a couple of Rockin' the Boat group cruises.
We're done, guys. We got the dates. We're super excited. We have two, one leaving from Miami, one leaving from Los Angeles. The first one is going to be February of 2025. It's going to be during Valentine's Day week. So that's going to be February 9th through February 15th on the Carnival Horizon. And there's going to be stops in Ocho Rios, Grand Cayman, and Cozumel. We have a big party planned in Cozumel if you're part of the group cruise. Can't wait for that. Also, we're going to be having a cruise leaving in April of 2025 from Los Angeles. This one will be on the Carnival Friends, and it will go to Cabo and Ensenada. You know how fun those spots are. We're going to be sending out an email the next couple of days that's going to have all the information, how much the rooms are. We have interiors and we have balconies reserved. It's going to let you know when the deposit's due. It's a very small deposit that you have to make before sometime in June, and then
Of this year.
Yeah, this year, and then you have plenty of time to pay for the rest of the cruise. So we'll be sending that information out. Hope you can join us. You know how we do it on a cruise, and it's going to be so much fun if we can get the group together and do it together. So looking forward to it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video today. We had a great time. Now, we've been traveling like mad men and women. That's why we haven't put out a video for a bit, but we have Stagecoach coming up next week. We have Costa Rica in a couple weeks. We're going to be going for 7 days. We have 8 more cruises booked throughout the end of the year. We'll
be in Hawaii, our family trip that we take every year.
Oh yeah, that's right.
It's going to be so fun, you guys.
We can't wait to share it with you. We love you. We appreciate you. The channel's growing because of you. Thank you so much. If you haven't signed up for Rockin' the Boat Club, do it. It's free. And you get a chance to win some of those prizes as well. But we'll see you next time. And remember to always keep
rocking the boat, baby.
Rock the boat.